Good afternoon. Today I will share a little trick that can be used by those who stutter if there's a need for it. You can speak when you're nervous by using 1 word, 2 words, 3 words, in short phrases. This is how you can extract different phonetic units. Speak clearly, trying to be brief, concise, and to the point. Yes, not everyone can do it, but there are degrees of stuttering, and there are people who really struggle because of rushing. Stuttering can even intensify several times in those situations. This approach might help them not to completely eliminate stuttering, but at least to reduce it and lower the pain threshold that comes from it. Stuttering can intensify several times over. This might work for them, not to get rid of stuttering completely, but at least to reduce it and lower the pain threshold that comes from it. Because when we stutter, it can be physically painful for us, both psychological and physical. It's not just about jaw fatigue when you're kind of stuck, but it's unpleasant and uncomfortable. I had students who would bite their tongues very hard with their teeth during speech blocks, and it was painful. 2 of them even had small scars on their tongues because the person was trying to distract themselves, to bite down hard, and then to say something, or rather to squeeze something out while focusing on the pain. It's not a solution, but at that moment it seemed to him that he couldn't do anything else. And that happens. Stuttering is a very multifaceted problem.